This is Steve, and today we're going from the In the Garage to the Goodguys Pleasanton Swap Meet. Check it out. Hi, this is Steve here, and we're at the Goodguys, and I'm with my friend Gil here, and Gil has this beautiful 1971 Plymouth GTX 440. Gil, how long have you owned this car?
Since 1971.
1971?
Yeah. So took it out of the showroom. And Cooper Motors in Hayward.
Took it out of the showroom. So what made you say I gotta have it?
Well, we were taking a trip to Texas, and we couldn't take the old car. So the wife said, "Well, let's go get our new car."
I love that. And how long? I know it's just absolutely immaculate. I mean, the restoration is beautiful. How long ago did you decide to restore it?
07.
07? Oh,
Yeah.
wow, this was restored in 07. It looks like it was just done. It's just beautiful.
Well, as soon as I retired, it was parked outside the house for 20 years.
Oh, wow.
So as soon as I retired, I got on it. Took the whole year, took it apart, sent the parts in, put it back on. There it is.
Wow, that is so cool. And do you remember what you paid for this car when it was new?
45.
45,000.
Yeah.
$4,500. Wow. Can we take a look under the hood of this thing?
Sure.
I'd love to see it. It's just beautiful. I love this 440 on here. Nice. Super Commando. How many horsepower does this car have?
375.
I bet it goes pretty good.
Oh yeah, it moves.
Did you do a little street racing when it was new?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Up in 14th Street. And,
Oh, okay.
oh yeah, we used to take it a lot.
Down, where is that down,
Oakland and,
Oakland.
and San Leandro and San Lorenzo.
Oh, okay. And I noticed you paid a lot of attention to detail under the hood. I see the correct battery, the MOPAR battery, and the right hose clamps and everything. It's just, you must have won some awards with this car.
So far, since 07, I got 56 trophies with it.
56. Oh my God. Well, it certainly deserves it because it's just spectacular. I mean, this is just amazing. You must have taken the whole engine out. The whole car must have been disassembled to have this quality restoration.
I took everything out, cleaned all the inside, and even my granddaughter helped me out to clean out the car.
That's nice. A family affair. How many miles are on the car now?
I don't know.
It looks like it has no miles on it to me. And what's 17,000? And what's the name of this color? Do you know the name?
I call it forest green.
Forest green.
It's different. They just went for the numbers.
So what made you decide to hang on to this car all this time? Most people use a car for a few years and they get rid of it, or.
Well, when I bought this car, the salesman told me, you know what, they make so many of these cars, not too many, and they're going to be collector's item. He said, I hope you keep it for your family later on or for yourself to sell it.
He was right.
And he was, yeah, exactly.
I was noticing there's a trunk rack on this car. Was that on it when you bought the car?
Everything you see, that's all the way I took it out.
Wow. And I just love this interior. Bucket seats. Was it a 727 torque flight transmission?
727.
Yeah. So cool. And how much do you drive it now?
It's just for car shows now. I took it to Texas. That's why we bought it brand new.
Oh.
And then my wife started driving it back and forth to Fremont to work. And that was it. I mean, that's why it's so taken care of.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. I love your choice of deciding to put the correct bias ply tires on it. I think that really sets it off. Just looks really sharp. You've just done a remarkable job with this car. And I'm just...
All stock original.
Yeah, it's just a real treat to see. Well, thanks so much for showing us this car, and appreciate it, Gil. All right, we're going to look at a few more cars here today at the Goodguys. This is Steve. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks.